Guys, what's up? And we're back and we are doing Wreck This Journal. I heard that none of you guys really liked the video where Grandma did it by herself because it wasn't there because I was at my mom's house. I'm sorry. If I stop.
Nobody, no, but wait a minute now. Hi guys, nobody said anything bad. I just didn't have as many views, likes, or comments as I do when you're here. So you kind of need to be here when we do this Wreck This Journal because it's supposed to be granddaughter time anyways. So
I'm sorry if I'm kind of blacking out because
blacking out.
Because I have hiccups right now, and so while I'm talking I might stop. So
okay.
Yeah.
So let's get on.
All right.
Who's going first?
I am.
You are.
All right. Let's see. Color this entire page.
Why don't you put paper markers at your other two spots?
Oh, okay. That is so much better.
Yeah. Smart thinking.
Not really. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have these super bad hiccups. Okay, alright. So we bought these, this marker.
No.
There are two of them.
They're pens.
They're markers.
No, they're pens. I can write with them.
Oh. Let me show this to you guys. Nope, I got it.
Get it in focus. So, yeah, I found these at the Dollar Tree. And if she can get them in focus so you can see them, maybe go down a little. I don't use my phone to film with. I use a little camera. Let me see one.
So this...
I don't know why I thought I could focus it when she couldn't, but... So there. So you see how it has a blue and orange line on it? That's the colors. You get dual colors. And this one's a blue and green.
Yeah.
So, anyways, they're cool to write with.
I'll actually
I've been having fun.
show you guys. So I'm gonna...
Is that what you're gonna do? You're gonna color this entire page with those?
No. Just
the blue and green doesn't show up like the blue and orange do.
Yeah.
Do the blue and orange.
Alright.
So what are you doing for color this entire page?
I'm not telling you. It's purple, not blue.
What?
It's purple, not blue.
I heard what you said. That is a bluish purple.
That's purple.
Alright, it's purple.
Comment down below if you guys think it's purple. I'm going to show you. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's, alright. I'm just going to color my page while my grandma does her stuff. So.
Oh.
Yes. I'm actually going to do something very different. Yeah, I have no clue how to open these.
So this is finger paint this page.
I wanted to do
and
that.
I'm not going to eat with my fingers and then fingerprint here. I'm going to finger paint. So I'm getting a couple of colors onto a paper plate.
My grandma's trying to help me.
Right like that.
Oh, wow. That
I
is...
said that last time.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I cannot do this on my lap. Oh my gosh.
Just grab a couple colors.
Those are so cute. Oh wait. Colors.
And hurry up. Time goes by fast.
Yeah, I know.
You should have had your colors picked out already.
I need a brown. I can't get the brown.
Always be prepared. That's my motto in life. Okay. So do I fingerprint like with all 4 fingers or just 2 fingers?
2, because there's 2 colors.
No, but fingerprint.
2.
I was going to put my fingers in it and then...
Choo-choo.
How do you finger... Okay, 2. How do you finger paint? Don't you like kind of mix it up and...
No. I'll show you.
No. You always wanted to do that?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
And then, so what? What do I do? They're on my hand. I just press down?
Yeah.
Don't I, like,
Real hard.
make something?
Yeah. Can I make something?
Yeah, you can make something.
Alright, I need a green paint.
No, use the colors that are there. I don't know what I'm doing. What are you doing?
I'll show you. I'm really bad at leaves, so please don't judge. Oh, whoa.
Ooh, you
I'm
just
so
made
sorry.
them dizzy.
I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so... Excuse me.
I just made a C.
There. Nice, pretty flower.
Oh, that was a good, quick idea. I'm doing fingerprints.
I'm doing a flower. Okay, I need a baby wipe. Stat! I need a baby wipe! Look how big these petals are compared to the stem. Little
Here.
little prince.
Okay, what are you doing on your page?
I literally kind of like gave it away. All right. So I need the green, the brown. I'm making such weird noises today.
I don't know. There we go.
Yeah, I did the prettiest part.
I know.
Okay.
I think these books are kind of silly.
Yeah.
And
That's
I'm
the whole
just
point.
doing them. That's the whole point. Well, they're kind of, some pages are like, what are you supposed to do with them, right, guys?
Yeah.
But,
Comment down below.
but I thought they'd be, after seeing a couple of videos from Sherry at Turquoise Dreaming and Gardena, handmade by Gardena. After seeing a couple of videos by those two gals,
She's amazing, Gardenia.
when they first got theirs, I thought it would be a fun thing with Holley, but I cannot come up with ideas, so.
I wanted to say, are you guys, okay, comment down below if you do have kids. And I would love it if you guys told me what they love to do every day and what they actively do.
They have grown kids, the two I just spoke of. So what are you doing?
Nothing. Just do your pages.
Well, you're going to take like forever. Mine's going to stick together now.
Yeah, let it dry. Okay, I'm just gonna color this page rapidly, so yeah.
I think my other one I was going to do was this. And you know what? It might be fun if they can draw a shape in the center of page, color outside the lines.
Ooh, wait, I know how to do it.
Just read.
I seen a video on this. Can I do it?
No.
I know how to do it. It's so cool.
You know how to do it.
Yeah, it's so cool.
What do? You just color a shape.
No.
So like a circle or square.
Oh yeah,
triangle,
you're getting it. Okay,
right?
okay. I'll show you.
And then you color outside
Hey,
the
I was
line.
gonna use that. Give me.
So move it to you.
Circle.
That's a circle? How come they're not closed at the top?
You'll see.
All right.
Here's a closed one. And a closed one. Right here.
So I wanted to say, since you're drawing and I can talk, you're supposed to draw outside.
They're escaping.
They're escaping. That's cool. I wanted to tell y'all that love Holley so much that we now have a middle schooler in our house.
Yeah.
She graduated 5th grade and she got a medal from art class and a medal from music class. And I was so proud.
Yeah, I never get any medals.
I don't think we've been on since, but on May, I don't have a May calendar in front of me. And I know the date. I just don't want to say the wrong one.
June 5th.
16th. May 16th. Holley got baptized.
Yeah.
I don't think we've been on since, and I wanted to tell you guys that was an amazing day. I was in tears, happy tears, of course.
Oh my gosh.
I've been waiting for that day, and Holley decided all on her own at last minute. It wasn't even planned. It was baptism day at church, and
they had a nice pool.
There you go. The pastor asked, well, nice page. The pastor asked if there was anyone, out that wanted to be baptized, and Holley got up and did it.
Yeah, I was kind of scared.
So I was very,
I have the same page
proud
as
of her.
I scribbled wildly.
That wasn't what my page was, but anyways.
I'm gonna try to find
so I wanted to tell you guys. You want me to paint your nails on this page? That's my last page that I was gonna do today.
Let me try. Where's my dart page? I can't seem to find it.
We can do it next time because it's getting close to time. I can paint your nails and then we'll come back.
Here. Okay, I can do it. Okay.
Let me paint your nails and then we can do that next time.
Oh, no.
So this one, paint your nails on this page. So I'm going to paint them.
I picked the color.
Her.
I'm so bad at painting nails. Oh my gosh,
there's too many people watching me. I'm making mistakes.
No, you aren't.
Yeah, I got people watching me.
Not actually.
Yes, actually.
Well, we're filming this when no one's watching.
That's true.
So stay calm. You're supposed to paint on the page. I messed this one up. I wanted to ask y'all if you what do you guys do if junk journal, okay, this is like a trivia question or whatever. Comment down below, please.
Okay.
If there was no such thing as journaling, then what would you be doing right now?
What do you mean by journaling? Be a little specific.
Like Bible journaling and
junk journaling?
Junk journaling. Couldn't think of it. I've always wanted those long nails. I used to have long nails. They I'm looking at the camera right now and they kind of look like I have long nails right now.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I just looked at the computer. So you want to know, what's your question? Because are you going to ask me that question? Or
yeah.
You're
going to have to comment and you're going to have to put that question in the comments.
Question.
The trivia question.
Oh, you want me to put that in comments?
Yeah.
So what was the question?
So if there was no such thing as Bible journaling and junk journaling, what would you guys be doing right now?
I would be back out in my garden, which I haven't been in because I'm addicted to, to junk journaling. Be careful. Go separate so I can do there. Okay, that'll work. Yeah, I'd be there. Oh, and I'd be packing for our move.
Oh, did you tell everyone that we're moving?
No.
Oh. Well, we're moving to a nice big house, and it's like we only have 2 neighbors out of the whole entire street, and I am loving that.
And it's a wooded area. We're in the city, but not in the city. I need your thumb. I wasn't done with your thumb. And, yeah, there's deer that roam around, all kinds of wildlife.
There's this, black lab.
I think I did tell him. I don't know.
There's this black lab that always gets out of their thing, and I went over there to pet it, and it was so cute. It was adorable. It was kind of afraid, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this. These kind of look. You see this right here, guys? This kind of looks like some pretty petals, don't they? Okay, so I take this brush, and I kind of go like this. I kind of stretch. Oh wait, you guys can't see it. Oh, that's not good. I stretch it out, kind of, and I make little petals. Long petals, of course. I'm not trying to show little petals, you know. And I bet you guys can't see it. I'm just gonna paint.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Time's up.
Okay. Okay. Like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up. I hope you guys love this video. Please, subscribe, and please go to my channel. I only have 4 subscribers.
What's your channel again?
Schleich Guru. I'm actually, if you go check.
How many videos do you have uploaded now?
I think I have like 6.
You have 6 videos uploaded now?
Yeah. I used to have 2 up, and then I posted 3.
So what's 3 plus 2?
Oh yeah, that's 5.
Oh my gosh.
But I would like you guys to go check out going on a trail ride. I kind of messed up because I accidentally dropped the camera for like 1 second, but I caught it. But I'm doing really good with that, and my grandma will put going on a trail ride. She'll put a link.
Alright, yes, I will do a link to her channel. So go check out her channel and give her some thumbs up and all that good stuff. So thanks for hanging out with us, guys.
Bye. Love you guys.
Alright, see you on the next one.